Goko ne kwa Kikuyu podcast. Korea kwa Jubilee ne gukoretwo na ngucanio thutha wa Jubilee gukona mucemanio muthenya wa ira Korea muthenya wa Nyeri. Wambugu Njiri ni ambitie kureha thina, and I told you guys this guy ni akaunanga Jubilee na nie thina wa Jubilee. Wambugu Njiri auga atia Jamaa Kioni akiaria, Jamaa Kioni arogire atiri akiaria ati nenda gucokeria Rigathi wa Gachagua ngatho niki tondu Rigiji ni arutete wira munene, ati Rigiji ni arehete oro one term ino irauo kona ciothe cia bũrũri wa Kenya, akae sifa Rigathi wa Gachagua na njira nene muno, na uria opposition yake itindikite mundu gwitwo Ruto. No igwa Wambugu Njiri after mucemanio ucio okite akandika nenda-ini atiriri ati andu a Jubilee mathie handu matiagireirwo kwaka maguta mundu ungi, matiagireirwo gukorwo makiaria uhoro wa mundu ungi, ati magireirwo gu stick na Jubilee na maundu ma Jubilee, no matikarie uhoro wa mundu ungi ta Rigiji. Yatiriri ene uru hego Jubilee mathie handu makaria uhoro wa Rigathi wa Gachagua, especially in Mount Kenya region. Remember, Mount Kenya region yothe ni base ya Rigathi wa Gachagua. So igetha andu aya mamuthikiririe aya murakora tha ici, because already hakiri ciao ni Rigathi wa Gachagua, you have to mention him, you have to salute Rigathi wa Gachagua igetha andu aya mamuthikiririe. That's why Jamaa Kioni aria wega Rigathi wa Gachagua. Jubilee ndingiambitie kwiyukiria uguo angikorwo Rigathi wa Gachagua ndokite na kahurana na rigi mweno, no ngena hinya ku Jubilee wa gukira na kwaria. Let's be honest. Kende mwikira video no ya mundu gwitwo Jamaa Kioni mwene uria araugire then muthomere uria mundu ugwitwo Wambugu Njiri augite uhoro uyu wa mundu gwitwo Jamaa Kioni. Kindly subscribe to the channel podcast. Rekana kulikonda kula maundu mothe ma politics. Subscribe, hinya notification button. Muri ndo fata muno.
Wona gitio kinene. Mundu gwitwo Rigiji. Mundu gwitwo Rigiji. Ni arutete wira munene muno thiini wa bururi uyu o uria kuhana. Ari na o uria mundu ahana ni arutete wira. Tondu oro wakuga one term iraumania na Gachagua na irauguo Kakamega, ikaugwo Nyeri, ikaugwo Mombasa, ikaugwo kila pahali. Halo? Harambee! Harambee! Na angikorwo ni tukwenda kweheria Ruto giti-ini, gutire mundu witu gutigwo na thutha, na no nginya tunyitane ithuothe niguo tuthii na mbere.
Guys, ucio ni Jamaa Kioni kusifu Gachagua nake Wambugu Njiri muthenya wa muthi oka akauga, I have one concern after Nyeri's successful event jana. Our Jubilee party officials must stop packing Geoffrey Mafuta during Jubilee rallies. We look like we are simping, and neither he or his people do the same for Matiang'i during their own party rallies. Ati mahuana tamara simp igitariete uhoro waku simping. Ati matiagire uko magifaka makihaka mundu gwitwo Gachagua maguta hego ya micemanio ya Jubilee. Ati ona higwa disipa mathiete handu ati matitamburaga Matiang'i. Tiriri ni gwitikania Wambugu Njiri. The fact is one thing, ndamwira wega muno, Jubilee it's left behind ne disappear Rigathi wa Gachagua na so many steps. Rigathi wa Gachagua ni arahotire guka arehanda thiini wa kirima, and Rigathi wa Gachagua has been fighting for Mount Kenya region kuma igwa impeachro ona igwa rigite-ini. Who is in Jubilee akoretwo akirwira Mount Kenya region. Andu a Mount Kenya, as we speak, I have told you, in their mind mundu uria wiho ni Rigathi wa Gachagua. Egetha mone kanya ga gupenya guku kirima-ini, so they have to mention Rigathi wa Gachagua, na hiyo sio siri. So Wambugu Njiri is angry that Rigathi wa Gachagua ni aratanjwo ni mundu gwitwo Jama Kioni thiini wa mishemanio ya Jubilee. But the fact is mundu gwitwo Kioni lazima angefanya hivyo tondu Gachagua ni arauga thiini wa kirima. Gutiamenyekana agreement njega kana agreement area iho gatagati ka Rigathi wa Gachagua na mundu ugwitwo Jama Kioni. No horo wa mane atiriri party iria igiri cia thiini wa Mount Kenya region na Jubilee na DCP. So the fact is kuna hingo wa Kenya twana Kenya thiini wa election kuna kuria ugakora Jubilee ni maraikara thi na DCP makagiri. Angĩkorwo mũndũ fulani ni popular, angĩkorwo mũndũ wa Jubilee ni aroneka popular, kurigĩrĩria mũndũ wa UDA kũhetũka, mũndũ wa DCP akerwo oya Gathe ikara thi reke wa Jubilee arugame. The same case DCP kwa ĩkonekana ina hinya, mũndũ andu wa Jubilee makerwo oya watu wangu ikarai kado andu wa DCP. So these two parties in Mount Kenya region, they are very important. Niki if othe ni makarugamia andu DCP Jubilee na mathini wa neutral opposition wakwa kwena kumwe mundu wa UDA akahetũka maybe kundu kuria maybe neutral no menya no magayane kura ukona mundu ungi hihi ni ahotete gwithondekera ritwa agapenya through. So they have to work together and they must work together because of 27 uko Nairobi ukore kungi mundu wa Jubilee niendekana ukero they must work together. Na united opposition at large, they must work together. Either kwiko mundu fulani wa ipanie kiria huko magathi matiganĩirio uguo, but Jubilee walikuja kandadia gari ambayo ilishatoka. That's why they have to mention Gachagua egetha makome relevant. So mlosho obo ugojiri rauga, I'm not sure about it. Reke twete tuone uria DCP me uria Jubilee kwendera, ketuone uria Jama Kioni ekwendera. No Kameko ni gathukia by the way. So far Kameko rende muonete ni gathukia na mamu entertain ile ndo lishuria niki mana entertain wabo ugojiri. They should not entertain wabo ugojiri at all. They have to do away with wabo ugojiri. Tone akarehe thĩinĩ wa Jubilee toro uguo maũndũ maria marario thĩinĩ wa united opposition ni ikinyagiria must go. Toro uguo maũndũ maria mathiri marario thĩinĩ wa Jubilee ni ikinyagiria must go. So they should do away with wabo ugojiri. They should mamuige kuria pembeni pio ona mangihota athi against their rules. Ni afatie erwo oya Gathe si unini bana jiondoe, hatukutaki we toka, hatukutaki. Kana maoni manyu na mariko ugo niguo waikarite ulingo wa siasa waikarite uguo macio na maundu maria me thiini wa politics ugo niguo waikarite ni kuyuhite muno maundu ni mathi na mbere mahiuhite muno andu ni mathi na mbere makiraga ngoro. Anyway no nyende mujire moni manyu na mariko oroiye story yo na murona atia politics shirathi atia. Ladies and gentlemen, murona wikarite atia andu akai? What's your take on this? Thegyo gamatune amurathime. Guys, it is what it is. Kwani iko nini? Kindly subscribe. Na muratiriri walika wa subscribe hiyo notification bell. Wa notification bell na like video egatha video nigoma muno mu like video. The moment you like the video, it's very important. Video artist ne kaka udo. Kindly thegyo muno murendo fata na kindly mwende wa subscribe then wa channel eno ya Kikuyu Podcast. God bless you. It is what it is. Ama kwani iko nini? Thank you. God bless you.